Start off by grabbing your favorite Dubai mold. Today we're using the Implast polycarbonate bar mold with 6 half-bar cavities. These will be white chocolate Dubai bars, so we're starting off with some white chocolate yellow accents. Feel free to make these accents any color you'd like. All you have to do is add an oil-based food color to your white chocolate. Before creating the chocolate shell, we're going to chill these in the fridge just so the accents are solid. And now we're ready to add our white chocolate. And keep in mind, since these accents are not made of cocoa butter but of chocolate, the heat from the warm chocolate will cause the accents to spread a bit, but that is the look we're going for, and you'll see it at the end. Remove your excess chocolate and place these in the refrigerator for a solid shell before you add your pistachio filling. Now add a generous amount of filling for each chocolate bar. Now we'll seal in our filling with a final layer of white chocolate for each bar.